All right. Today I have a 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage, and I'm going to show you where the parking brake is located on this vehicle. All right. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right. So I'm in the vehicle behind the steering wheel. I'm going to look down towards the center of the vehicle. And do you see this right here? This lever right here, this is for the parking brake. All right, so my vehicle's in park, and what I do, I go ahead and press my foot on the brake, because that's what I do. And then I'm going to take this lever right here, push this button in, pull it until it stops, release the button, and the parking brake's engaged. And you can look up on the instrument panel right here, it says brake right there. The parking brake is engaged. Now, to disengage it, vehicle's still in park, my foot is on the brake. I am going to come back here. I'm going to take the same lever, raise it, press the button, release it all the way down, and the parking brake is disengaged. As you can see up on the instrument panel, it is no longer there. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.